guys, this is Rob from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you today's beautiful install. I'm quite impressed by this myself. This is on the Range Rover Sport with the original BOSCH, or the BOSCH if you want to call it. This is our 13.3 massive big whopper, as you can see. If you're not familiar with the Range Rover and you know the new cars today, you'll notice this is designed on the 2024 cars that you would get today. So if you buy a brand new spanking Range Rover in the excess of £100,000, as you would know, you get this big massive type of screen in there. So this, the gentleman who owns the car has gone for the OEM look on the new cars today. As you can see, this general interface here is designed on the new cars today also. So this is a brand new user interface you find on this. This is a Merryway system, so it does come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor in. And also an 8-core processor. It's 464 gigabytes. I think it's supposed to 8128 you can go to on this unit here. But as you can see here, this is obviously the main interface here. You can switch over to there. As you see, it's lovely and responsive, so obviously that's what you're going to get with the Qualcomm processor. One second, my finger's a bit greasy today, as you can see. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of a viewing into this here, just to show you the original screen. That's still working there. One second. So as you can see, that's the original menus you see of today. All these buttons down here still work, all these buttons down here still work. So obviously I think on the original screen you do get touchscreen buttons anyway, but you can see these all basically work in line with this. So these are all still work. There's your, obviously there's your, some of the icons down there. There's the original navigation. One second, sorry, it's a bit slow. I will be true. I've noticed this, guys, at the BOSCH menu. The original menu is a little bit slow, sort of thing. Only reason being is the process is actually on the unit, not with the system. So as you see, even though it looks quick and responsive on the Android side, it is a little bit slow. But as I say, they're not designed for swiping on the BOSCH one, so you'll find it's a little bit slower. Don't expect it to be as quick as the original. Just to go back into the original one here. So this navigation here obviously shows any maps of choice. This is a Google Maps at the moment. You can put any map on there that you want, like Waze or Copilot or stuff like that. You can do that one there, just at this little icon here. See, it's all fully sealed, nice, see, lovely. See how quick it is. So use this little icon there to go back on the screen. Go back to the home page. There's your music. So obviously it does come with a USB cable, so you can play your movies and also any MP3s on this here if you're that old-fashioned. That original car takes you back to the original screen. There's your phone, so obviously you want to take your phone calls to it. Now it does have built-in CarPlay and Android Auto, so basically that can take care of your phone calls too. Also, this is the CarPlay, the Android Auto app. Looks like we've got it connected to my staff's Android phone. So as you say, there's your Android Auto there. So basically it'll give you CarPlay. If you, let me just get the heater down, sorry guys, this will probably be quite noisy over my voice, I didn't even realise there. So this is the Android Auto side. Now this is reference to the signal on your phone. So even though it's loaded half there, it just means because we're under a tin roof and this signal right up here is a little bit low, which is renowned for where we are. Obviously you will get a slow connection on that, but it is quick and responsive. So next thing I'm going to show you is the DSP sound processor. So obviously it does have a built-in amp, so you can customize the sound output on there, which is good. Systems function, so this is all like the back-end settings. If you wanted to change things around, the display, the brightness, the sound, vision info, and this factory settings, which obviously you won't need to get into unless we advise you during the install. Going into, this is where all your back-end applications go to, so every app that's on the Android side goes into here. So obviously you've got your Play Store there, so you want to download any apps. You've got Chrome, Google Maps there, obviously Android settings, file, GPS, YouTube. Just show you that bit there that shows you a little bit of information. But the customer's gone for the digital AC today. I don't know whether you can see that in the video, but we've installed this digital AC panel down below. We'll give you another video on that sooner or later. I think that's more reference to have a little look. So yeah, I don't think that links with the down below, to be honest with you, but we'll play around with that anyway. So just to show you that's in there. What else have we got? Let's go into the applications. We've got another page here. Okay, you've got Installation, don't know what that is. FM, obviously assume that's to do with the radio. Oh, it takes you back to the original radio because that's where you have to play that. OTA, what the hell is that? No idea. Have a little look. Google Assistant stuff down here. So you do have some icons down here with your shortcuts. So you have this for like your navi, you have your phone one there, that fan there if we just showed you, and you've also got the original car option there, so it takes it back to there. And I say you've got a standby button, so if you're driving down the road and basically it's too bright and obviously the police are behind you, then that's the button to use. Okay, hope you liked the video, guys. This is obviously new to the website. It was our first install, so it has been on the website for a couple of months, but it's our first install. So hope you liked the video, and we'll put the link down below. Also, this system is in two formats. They do offer just an Android screen only, and then they offer another screen to work with the original screen, but it's only £150 price difference. But I'll be truthful with you, you might as well pay that just to make sure it shows the original screen, because the cheaper version will only show you the Android side. So yeah, so I'll put the link down below, description, all our contact details as always. Any questions, give us a shout, and you have a nice day now. Take care, bye bye.